All right, good morning, everybody. Today is a Wednesday. Action has been really good in the early mornings. Hopefully, we'll continue on this afternoon and into the afternoon. Okay, so let's briefly go over what we're going to be trading this morning. Those on YouTube and Facebook, if you're joining us, thank you so much. Also, if you have any questions during this first hour of live, you can just go ahead and put them in the chat. I'll try to answer everybody's question. If for some reason I don't get to your question, just go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com. You can always get a hold of me that way, and I do answer all my emails. Also, be sure to check out my other videos. All of these are recorded, so you can go back and look at our other live shows. Also, there's a lot of educational material on my YouTube channel, binaryprostrategies.com. Please check those out. Check out the fundamental video, and also there is one on Einstein. So a little bit about my approach, what I'm going to be doing this morning, as I do every morning, I'm trading the indices. Let me go ahead and put up those symbols for you. So we're going to be looking at the ES, which is the mini S&P 500. We're going to be looking at an RTY, which is your mini Russell, YM, your mini Dow, and NQ, which is going to be your mini NASDAQ. Also be watching gold and silver for SI, CL for crude, and NG is going to be your natural gas. And of course, those that like to watch Bitcoin, we will call out some Bitcoins as well. On the on the currencies, we're going to be watching Aussie US, Euro US, US Yen. I'll be using one of 5 different patterns, okay, for these setups. But with the currencies, these trades are going to last no longer than 5 minutes. So when we get out of trade, we do actually within 5 minutes. On the commodities and the indices, we're going to be using Einstein. Einstein is a little bit different approach in the sense that it will set up a entry point, a profit target, and or reversal. So if we don't hit profit target, we do a reverse. The success on Einstein across the board, of course this is with all markets, is anywhere between 72% and up, depending on the pattern that is developing. So right now I don't really see anything here yet. So we'll wait for a setup here and then we'll get started. I do have a possible short coming up on the Euro US, so I want to watch that. Those double arrows right now is going to be one of my patterns. The arrows that you're seeing on the bottom charts are patterns that we have developed. You don't just trade the arrows. It's a combination and the way the arrows will set up that will dictate what kind of pattern it is. In this case, it's looking like a double pap short coming up on Euro US, so we'll watch that for a possible short. Good morning, Aaron. I will talk to you here after I finish the live show. I will get with you and we'll go over a few things. All right. but welcome aboard. Strong move coming down on the euro. That was a 59. Really, the 59 was your entry point. Premium's already dried up on that. You can't take the 59. You could have taken the 55 as well. But 59 was your better trade on that euro for sure. That is going to be a double pap. Okay, we are getting an Einstein buy on the ES. Okay, target on ES for Einstein is going to be 39, 34, 75, 39, 34, 75. That's going to be our profit target. And if for some reason we don't hit profit target and we need to reverse, going to reverse at 39.16, 39.16. Profit target hit. Getting a buy on natural gas. We're getting a buy on natural gas. Once again, it's going to be an Einstein buy on natural gas. That entry on natural gas came in at 921. Objective is going to be 924, and the natural gas 924. And if we don't hit target, we need to reverse. We're going to reverse at 915, 915. Okay, we're long on natural gas, long in ES. Once again, if you're trading Einstein, those in the live room, remember, just trade one of these indices at a time. I wouldn't trade more than one index. And if you're going to trade like a gold or a silver or crude or natural gas, I would put only one of those on as well. My favorites are going to be first RTY, then ES. And then, of course, I like gold and I like natural gas. Those are usually the four that I trade the most. That nice double pap worked out nicely on the Euro US. Okay, as we get closer here till 8:30, action could pick up, so I'll try to get to these as fast as I possibly can. But those that are familiar with Einstein, make sure you're watching your individual charts. So if you're trading RTY, or maybe you decide to trade the mini Nasdaq, make sure you're watching for those entries. I may be calling them out a little bit late, because when it starts moving, I'm trying to follow 16 different markets here, so I'll do the best I can to keep up with it. And those on YouTube and Facebook, once again, this is for demonstrational purposes only. My trading style is totally unique. This is not something that is publicly available, only through me. It's something I developed over 30 years ago. I've been a 40-year trader, and the patterns that I use have held up not only over the last 40 years, but also in any market that I trade. I've traded a little bit of stocks. Of course, I traded a lot of commodities. I've traded binaries, currencies. These are really solid patterns. What I call universal. The patterns are universal. That's what gives us the strength to feel confident in what you're trading, right? If you have something that works in everything, if you had an indicator that you could set on one parameter and it worked across the board, I'd say use that indicator, but it doesn't exist. Patterns are the only thing that will hold up long term, that will have any terms of probability, that will hold its probability, assuming you're looking at the right patterns. All right, still long ES, still long NG, natural gas. If natural gas reverses, I do like to short on natural gas. Crude oil has a short. There's also a short in crude oil. That target on crude oil came in at anything above 110.65. It's at 73 right now. Target on crude oil is going to bring us down to 110.25, 110.25. Reversal on crude is going to bring up to 111.45, 111.45. That would be the reversal if we don't hit target first. Okay, long an ES with Einstein, short a crude, and long a natural gas with Einstein. I don't have any core patterns set up on the currencies, so we're going to continue to watch the Aussie US, Euro US, and the US yen. Okay, natural gas just reversed and went short. Natural gas is reversing and going short. Crude is still short, long ES. Okay, target on natural gas is going to bring me down to 912, 912. And reversal is going to be, if we don't hit target, 921. Okay, now we're short natural gas, short crude oil, long ES. All right, opening bell. Still on the ES. We're short crude, short natural gas. Natural gas hits 921. We want to stay out of our short. We are short natural gas with a target of 912. Down 145.
Reverse buy.
That was a reverse buy on natural gas. I would stay out of natural gas right now until we get an HF2. Crude is still short, target of 110.25. Still long ES. Target on ES is going to be 39.34.75. Okay, possible buy coming up on RTY. If RTY hits 1764, that's going to be a buy on the RTY. RTY is now going almost long. Watching YM, also watching NQ. Target hit on US 500. Did hit target. Long RTY. RTY is now long. RTY, we're looking for a target of 1769. 1769. That is going to be our profit target. If we need to reverse on that, we'll reverse at 1754.
Reverse sell.
Trying to get this alert in here. Let's see. 1754 is going to be the reversal on RTY.
Profit target hit.
Okay, target hit on crude. Crude oil hit its target on the short. RTY long. YM is long, and also NQ just went long. So US Tech is long. We have the mini down now long as well. RTY is still long, approaching target. Target on YM is going to bring us up to 318.63. And target on NQ, your mini NASDAQ. That's going to bring you up to 118.20.
Profit target hit.
Okay, let's see here.
Profit target hit.
Profit target hit on YM already. Target hit on RT. Now, target hit on RTY. Still long US Tech. US Tech 118.20, which is your mini NASDAQ. Double buy coming up on the Euro US. Watch for that double pad buy coming up on Euro US. It is in a buy right now. I'll give you that buy on that Euro. 63.
Target hit.
That's going to be a 63. 63 on that Euro. 106.63 buy. US Tech hit target. Exiting US Tech. All right, we're flat on Einstein. The only thing we have on is we do have a core trade buy on the Euro US. Buy came in at 106.63. We'll carry that here for the next 4 minutes. Once again, I'll put those symbols up there, top right-hand corner. Okay, nice little trade on that Euro US. It turned out to be a nice winning trade. Flat across the board, don't have anything going on. Okay, Aussie US is set up for a double buy possibly. If these double arrows hold, that will be a buy. That's going to be a 57. Looks like a 57 buy on the Aussie US. 57 buy on the Aussie US. Premium was good, but you had to jump in early on it. The US yen also had a buy, but that buy was coming in at let's see here, 17, 127.17. Not enough premium. If it dips, I'll buy the 17, but it's gonna have to dip quite a bit more before I jump in on it. Possible double buy coming up also on the yen. We'll watch for that. See if it dips in here a little bit. Dip it into the 70s. I took in the lower 70s on that US yen. So got a long going on, 127.17. Dow's up 14. Weakening. I wouldn't be surprised to see this lower here shortly. Be in the red zone. Okay, getting a short on NQ, short on NQ, short on ES. We'll start off with the ES first. ES short is going to bring us down to 39, 34 and a half. And NQ, which is going to be your US Tech or your NASDAQ. That's going to bring me down to 117.45, 117.45. Okay, still long that US yen 117, 112, 127.17. That turned out to be a loser, reverse short. Watch that yen. The yen a lot of times will follow the Dow. With the Dow coming down, I wasn't surprised to see that yen come down. All right, still short the ES, still short an NQ. I'll go ahead and give you the reversal points if we don't hit target. ES reversal point is going to come in at the 39.53 and a half. That would be a reverse buy if we don't hit target. And NQ, if NQ doesn't hit target, it wants to reverse. It's going to reverse at 118.57 and a half. Okay, short ES, short NQ. Natural gas is getting a short now, getting a short on natural gas. National Gas, its entry was 933. It's at 33, just a little above 33. Target on this is going to bring us down to 930. And reversal is going to bring us up to 939. Okay, still short NQ, still short ES. Now we're short the natural gas. Target 930 on the gas. Once again, be careful. We got that FOMC meeting coming out here at 2 o'clock Eastern, so it could get a little erratic, so just be careful. All right, natural gas hit its target. US Tech is still short. ES is still short. Okay, so we have about another minute to go before we end the live broadcast. Once again, those that are in the live trading room, stay with us. We'll continue on. Those on YouTube and Facebook, thank you for joining us this morning. Once again, if you have any questions, you can always reach me via my website, binaryprostrategies.com. I do answer all my emails personally. Also, to learn a little bit more about my strategies, plenty of informational videos, educational videos on my YouTube channel, Binary Pro Strategies. So we're continuing to stay short on the ES, continue to stay short on the NQ. I don't have any other setup, so that's going to be it for today. Thank you for joining us this morning. If you like these videos and you like this morning show, please give me a thumbs up. Please make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so I can keep you updated on any newly released videos. Everybody have a good trading day, and we'll see y'all first thing in the morning. Take care.